Hello, this is Devin Bewley with Legacy Properties PM, residential property management firm here in Denver, Colorado. I'm here to talk to you today about the safety of using smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors in your rental homes. Now, both of these devices are required by Colorado state law to be installed within 15 feet of any bedroom. The best devices typically are going to be the dual. So you have the smoke and carbon in one, and preferably ones that talk. They'll tell you what it is that they're alerting to. If you need help with deciding which device is best or best ideas for placement, I would suggest contacting a property management company. They can help you discuss this and decide where the best places are. Of course, hiring a property management company, then you don't have to worry about it at all, because we make sure that we get that taken care of for you. As far as testing them, we do recommend, not that it's law, anything like that, but the courts kind of assume that you have tested them, that you test them at any property review and in between any tenants. Now, there's a button on a smoke detector. Everybody knows that you hit the button and it beeps at you. Unfortunately, that isn't a testing button, really. All that button does is test that the battery works. Great. So how do you test if it's actually picking up any smoke? The best way to do that is a product that you can get. It's a can of smoke. You just reach up and you spritz it right at the smoke detector and it will go off. If it doesn't, you need to replace the device. Unfortunately, they don't have something like that for carbon monoxide detectors at this point. Now, when you're installing these, if you're choosing not to have a professional do it, then at least follow the directions that come with the device, which is what's required by state law. Carbon monoxide detectors state that they are to be installed no closer than 4 inches from the ceiling. My personal belief is to install them lower down towards the ground. Because carbon monoxide is a heavy gas, it builds up from the floor up. So if your detector is up near the ceiling, by the time it goes off, the gas has already filled up the rest of the room. If you have it down low, it will go off long before it becomes a danger to anyone. I also recommend that you have your furnace checked, serviced, and cleaned on an annual basis. It will check for anything like cracked heat exchangers, if it's getting too dirty, if the filters aren't getting changed often enough, that kind of thing. Not only will that help catch any potential issues for carbon monoxide, but it can extend the life of your furnace for a number of years. I also recommend that you put a carbon monoxide detector and a smoke detector down in the furnace room. If your furnace is leaking carbon monoxide, which is the biggest place where you're going to get it in the first place, I'd rather have that alarm go off long before anything else does. Then we can get it handled before it becomes an issue to anyone. If you'd like any more information on this, or to talk about places to put it, or using a property management company, please give us a call. Our number is 720-989-1996, or you can visit us on the web at www.legacyproperties-pm.com. Thank you for joining us today. Have a great day.